Welcome to the Travel Man channel. In this video, we're heading along one of Australia's most scenic coastal routes, the Great Ocean Road. This journey is all about camping, nature, simple moments, and the kind of memories that stay with you long after the trip is over. We'll be camping by rivers close to the ocean, surrounded by mountains and fresh air. From peaceful nights by the water to bright mornings under the Australian sun, this trip shows what camping along the Great Ocean Road is really like. Our journey begins at the Cumberland River campsite, one of the most beautiful places to camp along the Great Ocean Road. Tucked between the mountains, the river, and the ocean, this spot feels perfectly balanced. You're surrounded by nature in every direction, yet the beach is only a short walk away. Camping here feels calm and open. The sound of the river flowing nearby mixes with the distant waves from the ocean. Tall trees provide shade during the day, and the surrounding hills make the campsite feel protected and peaceful. It's easy to see why so many people say this is one of the best camping spots in the area. We're camping here with family, sharing space, food, and stories. The campsite is well set up with toilets, fire pits, and plenty of room to spread out. The cost to stay here is quite reasonable, usually around $40 per night, making it a great option for anyone looking to enjoy nature without spending too much. From above, the area looks incredible. Drone shots show just how close everything is. The river winding through the campsite, the ocean stretching out nearby, and the mountains rising behind it all. Seeing it from this perspective really shows how special this location is. Drone shots show the campsite from above, capturing the coastline, nearby hills, and the open layout of the area. It's the perfect way to end the camping portion of this trip. As the day comes to an end, we settle into camp and start preparing dinner. Cooking outside always feels different. There's no rush, just simple food, shared tasks, and laughter as everyone gathers around. Jokes are told, stories come up, and the mood stays light and relaxed. There's something about being away from screens and routines that makes these moments feel more real. Later in the evening, we sit by the river playing cards, listening to the sound of the water flowing past. The night air is cool, the fire's warm, and time seems to slow down. These are the moments that make camping so special. Dinner is enjoyed inside the tent, simple but comforting. Sitting together, sharing a meal, and talking late into the night creates memories that feel genuine and unplanned. The next morning arrives quietly. Sunlight filters through the trees, and the campsite slowly comes back to life. Birds move through the branches, the river continues its steady flow, and the air feels fresh and cool. Walking around the campsite, everything feels calm and open. From above, drone shots capture the full layout of the area. Green grass, flowing water, and the ocean just beyond the trees. The sunlight here is strong and bright, reminding you how powerful the Australian sun can be. It's the kind of place where you need to be careful because sunburn can happen quickly. After packing up, we continue along the Great Ocean Road and stop at Kennett River for breakfast. This area is known for its peaceful surroundings and beautiful views. We decide to enjoy an Afghan breakfast here, sitting close to the river and taking in the calm atmosphere. From the air, Kennett River looks stunning. The river flows gently toward the ocean, surrounded by green hills and open space. It's a quiet stop, perfect for slowing down, eating well, and enjoying the morning before continuing. Our next destination is Apollo Bay, where we set up camp once again. This campsite has a different feel, but is just as welcoming. Open spaces, fresh air, and the sound of the ocean nearby make it another great place to stay. Camping here feels relaxed and easy. There's room to walk around, explore, and enjoy the surroundings. As the journey comes to a close, it's clear how memorable these camping days have been. From riverside nights to coastal mornings, every stop has offered something unique. Camping in Australia allows you to connect with nature, share meaningful moments, and experience places in a simple, honest way. If there's one thing this trip shows, it's how important it is to travel, explore, and make time for experiences like this. The world has so much to offer, and sometimes the best memories come from slowing down and being present. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this camping journey along the Great Ocean Road, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Travel Man channel. I'll see you in the next adventure.